Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this quadratic equation. Technique was not specified, so I'm going to go for the quickest technique, factoring. So factoring this trinomial is reversing the full method. So you want to factor it into two binomials. The product of the first term has to be 3x squared, so I'll put an x and a 3x. Product of the last terms here has to be -6. So there's several choices, but +3 and -2 work. Since the sum of the inner and outer terms must be 7x, this product is 9x, this product is -2x, and together they give you the 7x. So I know I have this factoring correct. Can take several tries to get it worked out. Set each factor equal to 0 using the zero product property and solve the resulting linear equations. You subtract 3 from each side to get x equal -3. Subtract 2 and divide by 3 and we get x equal 2/3. Hope that helps.